Moving forward with our next principle, that is scalar chain. Now, what does this scalar chain means? It is basically a chain of communication, showing a chain कि एक organization में कैसी एक आप कह लो लाइन ऑफ अथॉरिटी या कम्युनिकेशन फॉलो की जाती है या शुड बी फॉलोड, राइट. सो अगर हम इसको एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझें, सपोज A is a superior person, right? Superior person means he is at top level, he is at top level of management, and there are two lines of authority under him, B, C, D, E. These are all employees under him, L, M, N, O. These are all employees, but they are at some level, like middle level management and then supervisory level of management. Now, अगर A को supposingly उसको बात करनी है D से, so this message has to be transmitted to B, then to C, and then to D, right? So there is a chain of communication that has to be followed. Similarly, अगर इस तरफ इस लाइन में उसको किसी से बात करनी है, सपोज A M, so उसको पहले L के थ्रू एंड देन M के थ्रू वो बात पहुंचाई जाएगी. So this is what scalar chain means, a chain of communication, a formal line of authority from the highest to the lowest level rank. So ये क्या करता है, एक basically clarity create कर देता है in the communication that is being held in between the employees, ताकि कोई आप कहते हैं ना कि कोई किसी को बात मोल्ड करके ना बताए, जो जैसी है वो वैसी बताई जाए, राइट. तो इसमें क्लैरिटी रहेगी बेसिकली कि जो बात वो पहुंचानी थी वो पहुंचाई गई है या नहीं, राइट. सो कंफ्यूजन कम होगा, क्योस कम होगा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. तो ये बेसिकली कम्युनिकेशन कैसे किया जाए वो ये प्रिंसिपल सजेस्ट करता है. And according to Fayol, organizations should have a chain of authority and communication that must runs from top to bottom. Now, अभी हमने ये देखा कि अगर A को D से बात करनी है तो उसको एक फॉर्मल ये chain of communication फॉलो करनी पड़ेगी. Similarly here as well, right? अब there are certain situations जिसमें emergency situation है, right? तो अगर suppose E has to speak with O, that doesn't mean that he has to go with all the line of authority in case of emergency. I'm talking only. Suppose if he has to speak to O, then he can directly contact O in case of an emergency, and this situation or this is known as gangplank. Alright. Otherwise, in the normal situation, if E has to contact O, then the normal or the formal line of authority will be the same as in D, C, D, A, then L, M, N, O, right? But this is an emergency situation. If this is an emergency situation, then this thing can be adopted. So this was all about scalar chain, and we'll meet you in our next video.